Over 100,000 tech workers lost their jobs this year. Companies blamed artificial intelligence for tens of thousands of them. And here is the part that should really scare you. The AI replacing you barely even works.
Wait, hold on. They are firing people for software that does not even work.
Oh, it gets so much worse, Chris. Let me show you exactly what they are burning your salary on. 95% of these corporate AI projects make zero profit. Fewer than 1 in 10 ever survive past testing, and 42% of companies already gave up after betting everything on it. This is the thing they replaced you with.
You are telling me it fails almost every single time, and they shipped it anyway.
And if you are young, it is even worse. A Stanford study found jobs for workers aged 22 to 25 in AI-exposed fields dropped 13%. Entry-level coding and support roles fell almost 20% since 2022, while the senior people kept their seats. So they are not replacing the veterans, they are deleting the first rung of the ladder.
So the kids just starting out, they do not even get a foot in the door anymore?
And it is so hungry that Meta is firing up 6.6 gigawatts of nuclear power, real reactors, in Ohio. So while you are losing your job, they are building a power station to help a chatbot answer your emails.
A nuclear reactor for emails? Please tell me it is at least making somebody filthy rich.
And it is not only your job thereafter. AI fraud is on track to hit $40 billion by 2027, up from 12. A convincing clone of your voice now takes about 3 seconds of audio. So one day your mother gets a call. It sounds exactly like you, and it is asking her for money.
Okay, that one actually got me. You are saying that is my literal voice.
And here is the scale of it. Just 4 companies are pouring $725 billion into AI this year alone, more than the budget of most countries, heading past $1 trillion next year, while the actual returns barely show up. So this is either the future or the biggest bubble in history.
And if that bubble pops, let me guess, it does not just land on them.
Your savings, your pension, the whole market, everyone pays. But before you panic, let me stop you.
Oh, thank God, so it is all smoke. The AI is basically useless, and I can go back to sleep.
No, Chris, that is exactly the trap. It is not useless, it is just early, and it gets sharper every single month. The broken rollouts and the bubble are temporary. The lost jobs are not, so the only people who win this are the ones who learn to use it before it learns to replace them.
Right, so, no pressure. I am Cris, she is Vera. Follow Shipped and we will keep you on the right side of the robots.